Kia whānau, welcome to today's video. As you can see, our trusty Raku Raku is back. By the way, I'll introduce you to someone. This is Peanutty, or Peanut. So Peanutty is peanut in Māori. This is our darling's big teddy bear. He's a bit too big for her at the moment, so he just lives on the couch. I can't be bothered moving him, so he's just going to stay here. Firstly, I just want to say big mihi thank you to everyone who commented on our other Waiata video. We really do appreciate all the feedback, whānau, and it helps the channel a lot, so like and subscribe. Anyway, this Waiata is called E Te Reme. Reme is lamb. This Waiata is another himene, or another hymn. Again, like I was saying in the previous video, we had chapel every morning when we were at kura, when I was at school, and this was another song that we sung all the time. It's very short, about like a minute and a half long, but it's a very nice song. It's got a few more chords than our last one, so for those of you who are chord savvy, you can follow along. I'll sing the Waiata, or sing the song first, then we'll break down the kupu, break down the words, and then go over any other parts that we need to. This video shouldn't take too long because this is a real short Waiata. So here we go. Fa. E te reme a te atua, ko koe e tango atu nei, I ngā hara Tohungia matou, E te reme a te atua, ko koe e tango atu nei, I ngā hara o te ao. Tukua mai ki a matou, te Rangimarie.
Gave me goosebumps.
Ka pai whānau. So the chords are C. I don't know this one. It's a minor of some sort. Then we go into A minor. Go down to D minor, I think it is. Back to G. Inga, that's minor chord. Back to A minor. Then you go D minor, back to G, and back to C. As you heard, we go through the song twice, but there's a line that changes right at the end. Now let's go over the kupu e te whānau. So the first part you might know from the previous Waiata, or the previous song. Atua means God or Lord. Reme means lamb. So this is a reference to the Lamb of God. E te reme a te atua, the Lamb of God. Ko koe e tango atu nei, I ngā hara o te ao. So tango atu is like to uplift or to take on. It's more uplift. So in this context of the Waiata, it's talking about the Lamb of God. You are the one to uplift. Hara is like sin or to transgress. So the Lamb of God, you are the one. Ko koe e tango atu nei I ngā hara o te ao, to uplift the sins of the world. E te reme a te atua, the Lamb of God, ko koe e tango atu nei I ngā hara o te ao. You are the one to uplift the sins of the world. And then we go Tohungia, Tohungia, Tohungia rā matou. So guide us. Matou is us, not who you're speaking to, so us. So essentially, yeah, that's what it's saying. Tohungia, guide us. E te reme a te atua, ko koe e tango atu nei I ngā hara o te ao, the Lamb of God, you are the one, or the Lamb of the Lord, you are the one to uplift all the sins of the world. And then we change the line. Tukua mai ki a matou, te Rangimarie. So te Rangimarie is peace, or Rangimarie is the Māori kupu for peace. So tukua mai is bring to us. Tuku is like, yeah, to bring. sort of. All of my reo experts, you can correct me. Yes, but that's essentially what you're saying, is bring to us, tukua mai kia matou te Rangimarie, peace. So as you can see, it's a beautiful hymn. It's got a beautiful rangi and a beautiful message. Real simple, just, yeah. Some of the occasions that you might sing this waiata would be obviously at church. When you're praising the Lord, you can bust this waiata out, go hard. Other times, I guess if you're looking for a waiata tautoko or a song to use on the pai, you could use this one. It's another short waiata that you could chuck into your kete, and now you've got two. Two hemine, Te Atua and E Te Reme. So in terms of the difficult parts for the waiata, there isn't really any. It's probably the last line where you change it up. I ngā hara o te ao tu. So you go back. It goes I ngā hara o te ao Tukua mai ki a matou te rangi Māori. And then the song finishes. Yeah, so you hold on to that te for quite a long time. Te rangi Māori. And that's our strum. You can try and fit a double strum in there if you want. It'll probably just speed up the waiata a bit, but yeah. Kei koe, you can use whatever chords you want. But anyway, whānau, there you go. Another waiata to put into your kete. If you have any other suggestions, I know we got a comment on our last video asking for some waiata from Kahungunu and Te Arawa, I think it was. So we'll definitely do our research. Some songs, obviously, I need to get permission, but there are quite a few universal ones that we all sing regardless of where you come from. So yeah, maybe I'll look around for a few of those. But hope you enjoy E Te Whānau, and I will catch you in the next video. Ka kite!